Hello guys, welcome to Bako Smart Tech. In today's video, I will be guiding you on how to download a video from Twitter. And don't forget, if you found this video very helpful, consider giving me a like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So now the first thing you are going to do, make sure you have the updated Twitter app. Then after that, log into your Twitter account. When you log into your Twitter account, locate the video you want to download. Now for example, this is the video I want to download here. Then tap on the share icon over here. When you tap on it, tap on copy link. When you tap on copy link, then go to your Chrome browser. When you go to your Chrome browser, then tap on SSS Twitter. When you tap on it, tap on enter. When you enter, it's going to pop you up to this page. Then tap on the first link. After tapping on the first link, then here you are going to paste the link that you just copied and then tap on download. When you tap on download, wait for it to load. Then you are to select the resolution you want, the video resolution. Then I'm going to tap the second resolution. As you can see, the video is downloading. Then I'm going to tap on open. As you can see guys, the video has downloaded and I'm playing it right now. So guys, this is how to download a video from Twitter. Don't forget, if you found this video very helpful, consider giving me a like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.